Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 15. The firm men whom surely these afflict not, O chief among men, to whom pleasure and pain are the same, is fit for realizing the immortality of the self.
Chapter 2, Shloka 15. Yam hi na vyathayantye purusham purusharshava samadhukka sukandiram somritatvaya kalpate.
Chapter 2, Shloka 15. In the previous shloka, the meaning of impermanence was explained. All our experiences through the sense organs, the mind, and the intellect are limited and different. Arjuna was advised to be indifferent to heat and cold, like and dislike, and honor and dishonor. He wants to know the benefits of going through this suffering. In this shloka, Lord tells the benefit that surely comes to him who is not afflicted by the pairs of opposites, to whom pleasure and pain are the same. He is fit for realizing the immortality of the self. We as serious seekers must make note of this declaration, as it is the pre-qualification for understanding and getting the right knowledge of the true self. He alone who has developed in himself a mental equipoise wherein he is not disturbed by or affected by the effects of the circumstances is fit for attaining immortality. That is the greatest ideal we can love. The term immortality indicates the eternal reality or the truth. It is a state of supermanhood. No experience gained through the body, the mind, or the intellect is permanent. So it is to transcend and go beyond the limitations, a state of unbroken bliss. A medical student has to operate on dead bodies in order to equip himself to operate on living bodies. Developing the equipoise is the essential preparation in the inert material world, which is very necessary before one can progress in the inward journey in meditation. How can one bear the suffering of developing equipoise? There is no suffering when we make sacrifices for what we love. A mother can joyfully bear the physical discomfort for the love of children, which gives her emotional satisfaction. There is no suffering where there is love. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.